Okay, so when you open a new Excel book or you start in Excel for the first time, one of the main aspects for retrieving information, saving information, etc., is the quick toolbar. So if you haven't already done it to your system, I want you to go up to the top left hand corner and you see a small drop down arrow. Click on that arrow and you will get Customize Quick Access Toolbar. So basically what we want to use here is all our common tasks. So for example, automatically save. We need new, so we don't have to go file, new, or files, save as. We're going to have open. There's our save. Quick print. And print preview. So now, whatever Microsoft product you use, wherever you set up a quick toolbar, all the products allow us to set up a quick toolbar for the most commonly used functions that we use in Sheets. So again, all you do is click down the arrow at the top and then decide which tasks you want available to you a click. So I'm just saving. So in A1, I've wrote months. In A2, I've typed January.